So hi, I'm Nick Dyer. I'm a field CTO for HPE Storage.
So Nick, we just had a briefing today and we were looking at some of the challenges that people are having in the cloud. One of the ways that I tried to represent it was the fact that when you first migrate to the cloud, you've got an application problem because you've got a set number of applications, some of which you're going to refactor, some of which you're just going to lift and shift. And very quickly after that, a lot of the application headache goes away. But soon after that, you're starting to introduce yourself to a data problem where you've got islands of data, possibly in many different cloud providers. You've also got very heavy costs, not only for the storage of the data, but for ingress and egress if you're going to move it. What are you guys doing here at HPE to try and challenge those sort of difficulties that customers are having?
Absolutely. So we've been seeing this now for a few years where the world is hybrid. It's definitely not one answer to be all in public cloud or all in private cloud. It's also being across multiple public cloud providers, right? The answer is not all into one place. And the real thing, what we're seeing now is that people that have moved in and done this first off, they're now considering, well, is that actually the right place for my data? And as we all know, data has gravity. When it's created and with application demands, it's typically bound to the place that you've built it and created it. So how do I separate and remove that gravity? How do I enable portability of that? So at HPE, we've created a technology called HPE Cloud Volumes, which is a series of cloud services that we offer to customers that allow them to deliver enterprise-grade resiliency and 6 nines of data availability, a consistent data services mechanism to what you would expect on-prem, but also, and most critically, the data portability, the way to move data around between on-premises to public cloud and across public clouds and back again, should you want to.
So now that companies have a choice, rather than being tied into a particular cloud for their storage, they're going to be able to have a single data repository within your cloud volumes where they can access that data from any number of different clouds. Give me a little idea of how quickly it is then for companies to switch cloud if they happen to choose to do so. Absolutely.
So HPE Cloud Volumes is a series of cloud services, and it allows us to provision storage as a service to any of the 3 cloud providers. Because it's not actually sat in any of the hyperscalers' technologies, it's logically connected to them, I could spin up a cloud storage service within seconds and connect it to any of Google Cloud or AWS or Azure's instances on demand. And I could do that via a GUI or via a CLI, or more importantly, via cloud-first APIs. So I can create it, I can change it, I can build it, I can delete it, and I can move it without being charged for it each time as well. So there's no mobility charges or creation charges. I only get billed for exactly how much I consume.